I survived a long and frustrating battle with stubborn belly fat, and I'm here to share how a simple 15-minute daily routine turned everything around. If you're struggling with the same issue, let me show you how I made it work, my journey from stuck to strong. I spent countless hours trying various diets and complex workout routines only to be met with minimal results. I saved myself from more disappointment by sticking to a routine that finally delivered. I built my success with just 15 minutes of focused walking each day, and I got results that I had only dreamed of before. Daily routine, the secret to success. Here's how my 15-minute belly fat burning routine went. Warm up 3 minutes. I began with a light walk to loosen up my muscles and get my heart rate up. It was crucial to engage my core right from the start to maximize the impact on my belly fat. Power walk 10 minutes. I picked up the pace, focusing on maintaining good posture and keeping my core tight. By walking briskly, I was able to burn calories efficiently while targeting those stubborn areas. I added slight inclines whenever possible to intensify the workout. Cool down 2 minutes. I ended with a slow walk and gentle stretching to help my body recover and prevent stiffness. Challenges and triumphs. At first, it was tough. I faced days when I felt unmotivated and questioned if 15 minutes could really make a difference. But I reminded myself of the goal, to feel better and to see real change. I saved myself from giving up by celebrating each small victory, whether it was fitting into an old pair of jeans or simply feeling more energetic. Results: a new me. The results were remarkable. My belly fat began to melt away, and I noticed a leaner, more defined midsection. But it wasn't just physical. The routine also improved my mental well-being. I felt more confident and energetic, and the daily commitment gave me a sense of accomplishment that fueled my motivation to continue. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Consistency is key. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Staying consistent was challenging, but it was also the key to success. I tracked my progress by noting how my body felt and how my clothes fit, which kept me motivated. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Embrace the power of a 15-minute walk. This simple, yet effective routine transformed my body and my life. You can achieve your fitness goals too. Start today, stay consistent, and watch the incredible changes unfold. You've got this.